Today on Lachys Garage we'll be changing the stock black start button with a brand new red start button from BimLand Performance. So the first thing you will need to do is acquire a plastic trim removal tool. This can be found at any hardware store. There's also one for rivets on the back of your boot and your engine bay. So the first thing you'll need to do is stick the plastic trim removal tool into the back and just pry up. You'll need to pry up to get this little thing out. Now once you have opened this up and you can get your hand behind, you'll need to feel behind the start button and you will feel these little tabs on either side here. Once you've got the start button out of the little casing, you just want to get the cable and you'll have these two tabs on either side. You want to grab that and just wiggle it out and you'll have officially gotten your start button out. Once the button's actually out of the car, you'll need to remove the silver aluminium trim that surrounds the button. You'll be able to see several locking tabs, one located every 90 degrees. And all you need to do is stick a screwdriver in there. Once you've stuck your screwdriver in there and pried up, you just click it around and be careful not to break it, of course. And your whole button's off. The next step of installing the new red start button is you'll need to get a small screwdriver and flick up the 4 tabs that lay around the start button. Once you've got your little start button off, make sure you know the orientation as dictated by the little notch at the top. That notch corresponds with the notch right there. Then want to line up the notch once again with the top, get in the right place, and push till you hear a click, and your brand new button is in. You want to get your silver trim once again and line up the top part with the opening here, and push till you hear a click, and it's time to reinstall this bad boy into the car. Once again we are back in the car with our brand new red start button. All we'll need to do is just reverse the process that we did for installation. So grab your little ribbon cable and insert it into the back. Once the ribbon cable is connected, line up the start button once again, push it in, and line up your trim and push firmly. So all your trim is back in, and that is your power button installed. And that, guys, is how you install the BimLand Performance red start button, which I believe makes such a big difference to the overall look of the car. I'm eventually going to wrap the rest of this silver trim in carbon fiber, much like I've done to this steering wheel, just to fully complete the interior look of the car. If you have any comments or queries or questions, please comment them down below. Thanks for watching.